ปลี่ยนแล้วก็อันนี้คือใช้เป็นสังคติได้
ตามสะดวกแต่ถ้าเปลี่ยนให้สีเหมือนกันก็ดี
ครับเดี๋ยวนี้
ผมก็เคารพทุกคนบางคนเขาบอกว่าอย่างไรเขาคงไว้กันนะเหมือนผมใช้สีนี่แหละเปลี่ยนได้ข้างในสีตัวแค่อย่างเดียว
ยังไม่ได้สักเลยจีวรน่าจะใช่ครับมันบง
ครับใช่เลยโยโสภะคะวะอะระหังสัมมาสัมพุทโธthe blessed one, the Lord who fully attained perfect enlightenment, Savvakato yena bhagavata dhammo, through the teaching which he has followed so well, Savvatipanno yassa bhagavato and to the blessed one disciples who have practiced his will, Tammayang Bhagavantang Satamang Sasankhang, Tavid the Buddha, the Dhamma and the Sangha, Ime Yatsara Rehiyatharahang Arohite Vipojayama. We render with offering our rightful homage. Sadhuno Bhante Bhagava Suchira Parinipotope. His reform and the process one having attained liberation. Pachima Chanatanutam Pramanasat. Stimulate compassion for later generations. Ime Sakari Chakata Panakara Bove Patikanatu. May this simple offering be accepted. Ammakandi Karatang Hidaya Sukhaya for long-lasting benefit and for the happiness it gives us. Arahang Samma Sambuddho Bhagava, the Lord, the perfectly enlightened and blessed one. Ottang Bhagavantang Abhivademi. I render homage to the good and the blessed one. Savvakato Bhagavata Dhammo. The teachings are completely explained by him. Dhammang Namassami. I bow to the Dhamma. Saupatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Saṅkho. The blessed one disciples who have practiced well. Sanghang Namami. I bow to the Sangha. Hantamayang Buddhassa Bhagavato Pupapa Kanamakarang Karoma Now this aspect preliminary homage to the Buddha. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. ลอยกาวิเตเดวะตวสอนุตตรปุริสธรรมสารถิ He treads perfectly those who wish to be treated. Sattva deva manussanam. He is teacher of gods and humans. Patto Bhagava. He is awake and holy. Yadimang lokang satevadang samarakang sabrahmadang. In this world we discuss demons and kinds of spirit. Satsamana brahmaning patang satewa manusang sayang apinya satikatawa pavetese. He is seekers and searchers, celestial and human beings. He had by deep inside revealed the truth. Yodhammang te se sino tikalayanang mache kanayanang bariyo sanakalayanang. He has pointed out the Dhamma, beautiful in the beginning, beautiful in the middle, beautiful in the end. Satang sapayang chanang kevala paripunnang parisuttang brahmachariyang pakasese. He has explained the spiritual life of complete purity, innocence and convention. Tamahang bhagavantang apipuchayami tamahang bhagavantang sirasanamami. I send my prayer to the Blessed One. I bow my head to the Blessed One. Antamayang Dhamma Pituting Karoma Sev. Now let's action in praise of the Dhamma. Yaso Savakato Bhagavata Dhammo. The Dhamma is well established by the Blessed One. Sanjitika, apparent here and now. Akalika, timeless, ehipathika, encouraging investigation, aupanayika, lending in words, pachatang veditapo venyoe, to the experienced individual by the wise. Tamaham dhammam apipuchayami tamaham dhammam sirasanamami. I chant my prayer to this teaching. I bow my head to this truth. Kantamayang sangha pituting karoma sem. Now let's action in the cross of Sangha. Yasoto patipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho. There are the Blessed One disciples who have practiced well. Ojo patipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho. Who have practiced directly. Yaya patipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho. Who have practiced insightfully. Samiti patipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho. Those who practice with integrity. Yaditam jattari purisa yukani yatta purisa bukkala disciples, Ahunayo, Saswasawati of gifts, Pahunayo, worthy of hospitality, Akinayo, worthy of offerings, Anjalikaraniyo, worthy of respect, Anuttaram Punyaketam Lokassa, they give occasion for incomparable goodness to arise in the world. Tamaham Sangham Abhipuchayami Tamaham Sangham Siyasa Namami. I shed my prayer to the Sangha. I bow my head to the Sangha. Antamayam Ratanataya Panamakatayo Eva Samve Kapurikitana Patanja Panamasam. Now let's action our salutation to the triple gem and an emphasis of encouragement. Puttan Karuna Mahanavo, the Buddha absolutely pure, chill-like compassion. Yajan Nalukamaraya Nalojano, accessing the clear sight of wisdom. Lokasapa Upakile Sakatagoy, destroyer of list of corruption. Vandami Buddhamahama Arenatan, Devatatli that Buddha I revere. Tammo Padipo Viyata Satsino, the teaching of the Lord like a lamp. Yamata Bhagavata Pinako, illuminating the path and disrupt the deathless. Lokutaro Yojata Tipano, that which is beyond the conditioned world. Vandami Kamma Ahama Tarenatan, Devatatli Inditatamma I revere. Sankhosa Keta Ayati Keta Sanjito, the Sangha, the most fruitful craft for cultivation. Yodita Santo Sukhatana Bodhaka, those who have realized this awakened after the accomplished one. Lola Pahido Ariya Sumeta Sor, noble and wise along in abandoned. Vandami Sangha Mahamata Renatan, Devatatli Indita Sangha I revere. Eva Mekanta Pipochanayakan, this salutation should be made. Vatutayang Vantayata Visankhatang, that which is worthy. Onyang Mayayang Mama Sakupatawa, through the power of such good action. Ma'unduwe Tatsapapavasitiya, may all obstacles disappear. Tato loke upanno araham samma samputto. One who nothing at the highest come into this world, and is an Arahant, perfectly awakened being. Tammo yate sito niyaniko upasamito parinipraniko sambodhakami sukhatappavedito. Purifying the way, leading our illusion, calming and directing to perfect peace, and leading to enlightenment. This way he has been known. Mang yantang dhammang suttawa eva dukkha. Sorrow, lamentation, pain, grief, and despair, dukkha. Apaya sampayogo dukkha. Association with this is like dukkha. Paya vipayogo dukkha. Separation from the light is dukkha. Yam vichanna lapati tampi dukkha. Not attending one's is dukkha. Sankitena panchupadana kanta dukkha. In the five focuses of treasuring my heart dukkha. Sayatitam. These are as follows. Rupopadana kanta. Identification with the body. Vedanupadana kanta. Identification with feeling. Samyupadana kanta. Identification with perception. Sankarupadana kanta. Identification with mental formations. Vinyanupadana kanta. Identification with consciousness. Yes, and parinyaya. For the complete understanding of this, Aramaloso Bhagawa, the Blessed One in his lifetime, Evan Bahulam Savake Vinayate, frequently instructed his disciple in just this way. Evan Bhagajapanasa Bhagavato Savake Suvanusasani Bahula Avatate. In addition, he further instructed Rupam Anicca, the body is impermanent. Vedana Anicca, feeling is impermanent. Sanya Anicca, perception is impermanent. Sankhara Anicca, mental formations are impermanent. Vinyanam Anicca, consciousness is impermanent. Rupam Anatta, the body is not self. Vedana Anatta, feeling is not self. Sanya Anatta, perception is not self. Sankhara Anatta, mental formations are not self. Vinyana Anatta, consciousness is not self. Sabbhe Sankhara Anicca, all conditions are impermanent. Sabbhe Dhamma Anatta, there is no self in the created or the uncreated. Evayam, all of us, Bodhina Mahashatiya Saramaranina, are by birth, aging, and death. So Keri Paritevehi Tukkehi Tomanasehi Upayasehi. Thy sorrow, lamentation, pain, grief, and despair. Ukodina dukkha parita, bound by dukkha and obstructed by dukkha. Apivana nimasa kevalasa dukkha kantasa antakiviya panya yedati. Let us all aspire to complete freedom from suffering. Jira parini putam pitang bhagavantang utissa arahantang samma sambuddhang. Remembering the Blessed One, the our Lord and perfectly enlightened One, O Lama who attained Bali Nibbana, Sattha Karasa
We have gone forth with faith from home to homelessness. Tatsaming Bhagavati Brahmachariyang Charama. Unlike the precious one, we practice the holy life. Bhikkhunam Sikha Sachivat Samapanna. Being fully equipped with the bhikkhu system of training. Anno Brahmachariyang Imasa Kevalasa Tukha Kantasa Antakiriyaya Samvattatu. May this holy life lead us to the end of this whole mess of suffering.
รถสดท่อนของพระเปิดข้ามมาหน้าอันธรรมยังตวันติงสักการะปะทังพนามาเสอายังโคเมกายโยอุจังปะทัตตาราอัปโรเกสามัตตกาตัจจปริยันโตปุโรนานัปปะการัสสะสุจิโน This which is my body from the soles of the feet up and from the crown of the head is a circlet of sin filled with unattractive things. Ati masamikaye. In this body there are kesa, hair of the head, loma, hair of the body, nakha, nails, anta, teeth, baju, skin, mangsang, flesh, naharu, sinews, ati, bones, ati minchang, bone marrow, wakang, kidneys, atayang, heart, yakarang, liver, kilomakang, membranes, ihakang, spleen, papasang, lungs, antang, bowels, antakunang, entrails, utariyang, undigested food, karisang, excrement, ikang, bile, semen, flesh, ubo, ash, loyang, blood, seto, sweat, meto, fat, atsu, tears, vasa, grease, kelo, spittle, symphanica, mucus, lasika, oil of the joints, matang, urine, matate, matalung kante, brain, ewang ayang mekayo utang patatara aroke samataka tatapariyanto puro nanapaka ratsa asutino. This which is my body from the soles of the feet up and from the crown of the head is a silver of skin filled with unattractive things. Antamayang tangkanika pacavikana patang panamase. Pati sangkhayo niso jivaram pati sevami. Yavadeva sitasa pati kataya. Punhasa pati kataya. Dan samakasawata tapasirin tapasampatsanang pati kataya.
ยาวะเทวะอิริโกวินาปฏิจารณธรรม wisely reflecting I use the rope only to word of gold, to word of heat, to word of touch of flies, mosquitoes, wind, burning and creeping things, only for the sake of modesty. ปฏิสังขารโยนิโสวินทปัตตังปฏิเสวามิเยวะตวายะนะมัทธายะนะมันตนายะนะวิปุสนายะยาวะเทวะอิมัสสะกายะสัทธิติยายะปนายะวิหิงสุปารติยาพรหมจริยานุขหายะอิติปุรานันจะเวทนังปฏิหังคามินาวันจะเวทนังนาอุปาเทสามิยาปะเจจะมีภริสติอนาวัจจตาจะปัสสุวิหาโรจาติ wisely reflecting I use as food not for fun not for pleasure not for fattening not for beautification, only for the maintenance and nourishment of this body, for keeping it healthy, for helping with the holy life, thinking thus, I will only hunger without overeating, so that I may continue to live endlessly at peace. ปฏิสังขารโยนิโสเสนาสนังปฏิเสวามิยาวะเทวะสิตัสสะปฏิฆาตายะปุณณัสสะปฏิฆาตายะดังสัมมากัสสวะตาสัพพะสิวิงสัพพะสัมปัสสานังปฏิฆาตายะยาวะเทวะอิตุปริสยาวิโนมนังปฏิสันดานารามทัง wisely reflecting I use the watching only to word of cold, to word of heat, to word of touch of flies, mosquitoes, wind, burning and creeping things, only to remove the danger from weather and for living in seclusion. ปฏิสังขารโยนิโสทิลานะปัจจยะเอสัสสะปริฆารังปฏิเสวามิยาวะเทวะอุปันนานังเวยาปฏิกานังเวทานานังปฏิฆาตายะยาวะเทวะอุตุปปาริอัปยาปัจจปรมัตตายาติ wisely reflecting I use support for the sick and medical remedies only to work of painful feelings that have arisen for the maximum freedom from disease. 20 นะครับตรงนี้ไปก่อนยังไม่คล่องเลย20
บ่อยๆยกรอบ
วันพระสุดท้าย
บ่อยๆรอบ
highest blessings. Om Satchanja Sepanja. I accomplished in learning and craftsman skills. Vinayo Jasusikhito. With discipline highly trained. Suhasita Jaya Vaja. And speech that is true and present to hear. Etammang Kalamuttamang. These are the highest blessings. Mata Pitu Prathanam. Providing for mother and father support. Puttahara Sambhaho. And cherishing family. Anagula Jakamanta. And without birth that have no being. Etammang Kalamuttamang. These are the highest blessings. Ananta Brahmacharyaja. Generosity and righteous life. Yatakananja Sanghaho. Offering help to relatives and kin. Anavachani Karmani. And acting in ways that leave no blame. Etammang Kalamuttamang. These are the highest blessings. Arati Virati Papa. Steadfast in restraint and shunning evil ways. Machapana Jasanyamo. Avoiding intoxicants that draw the mind. Apamado Jatammesu. And mindfulness in all things that arise. Etammang Kalamuttamang. These are the highest blessings. Karaho Janivadoja. Respectfulness and humble ways. Santuti Jagatanyuta. Contentment and gratitude. Kalena Dhamma Savanam. And hearing the Dhamma frequently taught. Etammang Kalamuttamang. These are the highest blessings. Kanti Jaso Vajasata. Patience and willingness to accept one's faults. Saranam Jaharsadam. Seeing venerated seekers of the truth. Kalena Dhammatsagacha. And sharing often the words of Dhamma. Etammang Kalamuttamang. These are the highest blessings. Brahmacharyancha. Are they committed to the holy life? Ariya Satchanathassanam. Seeing for oneself the noble truths. Nibbana Satchikiriyaja. And the realization of Nibbana. Etammang Kalamuttamang. These are the highest blessings. Puttassalokatammehi. Although involved in worldly tasks. Chaitanya Sanakambati. Unshaken the mind remains. Asukam Virajam Khemam. And beyond all sorrows, spotless secure. Etammang Kalamuttamang. These are the highest blessings. Etadisa Nikatawana. They who live by following this path. Sarpattama Parachita. No victory wherever they go. Sapphatta sothim kachanti, and every place for them is safe. Ante sammang kalamuttamanti. These are the highest blessings. เปลี่ยนมาใช้เล่มนี้หน้า13หน้า13ข้ามไป15ข้ามไป15นั่น10อันธรรมยังสัพพปฏิทานาคาทายโยปนามาเส Now let's recite the verses on the sharing of merits. Punyasi tani katasayana yani katani me. May whatever living beings without measure, without end, sanjaragino hontu satananta pamanaka. Partake of all the merit from the good deeds I have done. Ye piya gunavanta prayamata pitatayo. Those good and full of goodness, my mother and father dear. Itame japayatitava anye machata verino. Beings in by me and those unseen, those neutral and others. Satta ditanti lokasaming te umajatu yonika. Being established in the world from the three planes and progress of birds. Panchika jatu lokala samsaranta bhava bhave. With right grace, all one, all four wandering on from realm to realm. Yatang ye patithanam me anumodantu te sayam. Those who know my act of dedication, any on rejoice in it. Ye timang napachananti eva desang nivetayum. And as for those yet unaware, may the rewards let them know. Maya innana punyanang anumodana hetuna. By rejoicing in my sharing, Sabbe satta satta untu avera sukha jivito. May all livings always live at peace in freedom from hostility. Mapatan capapontu te sasa cittatan surha. May the good wishes be fulfilled, and may they all receive thee. อันธรรมยังเมตตาปรนังกโรมาเส Now in our sun the reflection of universal well-being, aham sukhito hovi. May I abide in well-being, nindukho hovi, in freedom from affliction, avero hovi, in freedom from hostility, apayamacho hovi, in freedom from ill will, anikho hovi, in freedom from anxiety, sukhiyatanam pariharami, and may I maintain well-being in myself. Sabbe satta sukhita untu. May everyone abide in well-being. Sabbe satta vera untu. In freedom from hostility. สัพเพสัตตาปยาปัจจามุนตุ in freedom from evil สัพเพสัตตานิกาหุนตุ in freedom from anxiety สัพเพสัตตาสุขีอัตตานังปริหารันตุ and may they maintain well-being in themselves สัพเพสัตตาสัพพะทุกขาปมุจจันตุ may all beings be released from all suffering สัพเพสัตตารัตถสัมปติโตมาวิคัจฉันตุ and may they not be parted from the good fortune they have attained สัพเพสัตตากัมมัสสะกะกัมมัตถยาธากัมมัตโยนิกัมมะพันธุกัมมะปฏิสรณา all beings are the owners of their actions and do their actions born of their actions related to their actions and independent on their actions ยังกัมมังการิสันติกัลยาณังวาปาปะกังวาตัสสะทายาทาภเวสันติ all action with intention be they skillful or harmful of such as they will be their hands สัพเพสัตตาสัทธาหุนตุ may all beings live happily always ofชีวิต always free from animosity ตาตังปุญญาภาลังไมหัง may all share in the blessings สัพเพภาคีภาวันตุเต spring from the good I have done โอตุสัมพังสุมังคลัง may there be every good blessing ราคันตุสัพพะเทวตา may all the devas protect you สัพพะพุทธานุภาเวนะ through the power of all the Buddhas สุขีหุนตุนิรันตรัง may you forever be well โอตุสัมพังสุมังคลัง may there be every good blessing ราคันตุสัพพะเทวตา may all the devas protect you สัพพะธัมมานุภาเวนะ through the power of all the Dhamma สุขีหุนตุนิรันตรัง may you forever be well โอตุสัมพังสุมังคลัง may there be every good blessing ราคันตุสัพพะเทวตา may all the devas protect you สัพพะสังฆานุภาเวนะ through the power of all the Sangha สุขีหุนตุนิรันตรัง may you forever be well อะระหังสัมมาสัมพุทโธภะคะวาพุทธังภะคะวันตังอะภิวาเทมิ สวากขาโตภะคะวะตาธัมโมธัมมังนัมมัสสามิ สุปฏิปันโนภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆสังฆังนามามิ
รอมันฉันเช้าประมาณ7 โมง
7 โมงมีนั่งสมาธิไหม
โอ้
ช่วงเช้าไม่มีครับ
ญาติโยมที่ได้ถ่ายทอดไปนี้เป็นการสวดมนต์เช้าของวัดพุทธปัญญาจากเมืองโพโมนา1157อินเดียนฮิลล์บูลอร์ดแคลิฟอร์เนียซึ่งเราก็สวดมนต์เช้ากันเสร็จไปแล้วมีทั้งภาคภาษาไทยภาคภาษาอังกฤษแล้วก็ภาคภาษาบาลีนี่ก็มีท่านที่ติดตามจากวัดปราสาทนิกรตำบลขันเงินอำเภอหลังสวนนะแล้วก็มีโยมรัศนาศรีอรุณนะกำลังรับชมอยู่นะก็สาธุนะนี่ก็เป็นวันที่8เป็นวันอังคารในยามเช้าที่นี่ตอนนี้ก็เป็นเวลาประมาณอีก7 นาทีก็6 โมงเช้าที่เมืองไทยก็น่าจะตอนค่ำๆแล้วนะเวลาก็จะแตกต่างกันไปนะขอให้ญาติโยมได้ติดตามผลงานของวัดพุทธปัญญาเนี่ยในท่านมหาพัชรพลก็เพิ่งมาถึงเมื่อคืนพวกเราก็ไปต้อนรับกันที่สนามบินอันนี้ก็จะขอยุติการถ่ายทอดสดไว้เพียงเท่านี้ก็ขอให้ญาติโยมผู้ติดตามนะมีความเจริญในธรรมนะมีความสุขได้อยู่ในทุกลมหายใจเข้าออกด้วยสติตื่นรู้อยู่กับปัจจุบันด้วยกันทุกท่านทุกคนเจริญพรจบแล้ว